Students, today I will explain you the poem The Last Bargain. This poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. He was a very famous poet of India. He was also known as the Bard of West Bengal because he has written so many famous poems like Gitanjali, for which he had won the Nobel Prize in 1913. And students, he had also written our national anthem, Jana Man. So this poem is also very interesting. It is a very soulful poem in which the poet defines about the worldly pleasures which are very fake. Okay, we can't rely on these worldly pleasures. One day it will perish because they are not everlasting. So the bargain means that agreement between two persons when they agree on any part or negotiation, when we say. So here it is also an agreement or a contract. Okay, so a bargain is an agreement in which both parties promises to do something for each other. It is given here. Okay, and someone is looking for work. Here the poet is, or you can say, because name is not given here, someone means anyone, any person. So he is waiting for the work, waiting to be hired, and he strikes a bargain but thinks it worthless. Though he move different persons, he meet different persons, and he was offered the different things also, but he thought that all these things are worthless to him, valueless for him. Why? He tries twice again. He tries two times but doesn't like either. He didn't like both offers. Finally, in the last bargain, when he is hired for nothing, whatever, he is happy and never before. And when he was hired for nothing, he was then, at that moment, he was happy. Why he was happy? Okay, what is the bargain and why is it best bargain? So that we have to find it in this poem. So let's start reading the poem. And one more thing, student, it is in the free words, you can say, the blank words. What is blank verse? Where there is no rhyme scheme here. Okay, so it is a blank verse poem, and it has a 16 lines, written in the 16 lines. Okay, so let's read the poem. Come and hire me, I cried while in the morning I was walking on the stone paved road. Sword in hand, the king came in his chariot. He held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. But his power counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot. So this is a very deep symbolic poem, students. It has a very deep meaning. So here the poet was moving in the morning, and you know that morning is the time it shows, you can say, it symbolizes hope and courage. So hence the poet is also very hopeful that he might get some work today. So he was moving on the pavement, and that pavement is a very strong. It means it is showing that how difficult path he had to cover. So he was moving there, and he met with different people. So first people he met, the king. As you know that king have the power and wealth also. So here the king is depicted, symbolizes as a power. So the king came to him in his chariot. Stone paved road means that covered with with the strong surface, covered with a firm surface, you can say. Okay, so he was walking on the stone paved road. Sword in hand, the king came in his chariot. It means that power came towards him, and he held my hand. He hold my hand, he clutches my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. So I will offering you this job, and I will hire you with my power. But this power counted for nothing. So he said that no, this power is nothing for me, it is useless, and he went away in his chariot. So when he neglected and he rejected his offer, the king's offer, and the king then moved ahead. Okay, he went away. So why he had he knew that that wealth is not a everlasting thing. Understood? One day it also be gone from the hands of the king also, because there is no you can say materialistic things are not immortal, they are mortals. So that's why he said that one day this power will also be, you will lose. So he didn't like that bargain. Then he moved in the heat of the midday. That is also shows very hard day. So he was moving in the noon time. The houses stood with shut doors. Have you seen that in the noon time also? Nobody goes outside because of heat, lot of heat, and that a lot of the weather is weather conditions are also not very good climate, so that's why everyone were in the houses. I wandered along the crude lane. It is also showing that again he was wandering in the bent, or you can say in the curved lanes. He was waiting for the best bargain. An old man came out with his bag of gold, and when he saw from those lanes an old man, he had a lot of gold in his bag. He came out from me. He pondered. He thought very strong, very deeply, and then said, "I will hire you with my money." So he said to the poet. He offered the poet the money, the wealth. He weighed his coins one by one, but I turned away. So he was showing that old man was showing to the poet that, see how much I am wealthy, and he was counting that money one by one. That showing that how much money, how much wealth he had. So he acquired. So that's why. So what happened? The poet is not agree with this bargain. Why? Because he knew that as the power is gone, one day, in the same way wealth will also be not last forever. It is not last forever, because it is not everlasting, because it is also one day it also perish from this world. So he didn't like these both bargains.